Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet cushion cover designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, knitted patterns, easy patterns you can see in this my video. So please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Beautiful color combination contrasts, stylish designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most beautiful, trendy crochet cushion cover patterns, knitted patterns, stylish designer ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy crochet cushion cover patterns. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet cushion cover designs. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, ribbon. Beautiful knitted patterns you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cushion covers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful crochet cushion covers online these websites easily in very reasonable price. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your beautiful and stylish crochet cushion covers with matching sofa covers, bed sheets, curtains, blankets. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video.